Courtney Johnson here, and the chances are that you landed on this video because you're interested in finding out more information about how to make the law of attraction work for you instantly. Now, if you stay tuned until the end of this video, I'm going to show you 6 easy steps on how you can make the law of attraction work for you instantly. Now, you're probably wondering, like, who am I? My name is Courtney, and I'm a young mom of 2. And recently, I was just like you, searching online, like trying to find out, like, what's all this law of attraction stuff about? Like, how does it work? What's all this manifestation stuff about and everything? So I did some research and I came up with 6 easy steps that you can use right now, starting today. So stay tuned as I give you these 6 easy steps on how to make the law of attraction work for you instantly. So now, step 1. Now let's go into this. I have a sheet for you guys that I typed up. Now, step 1, it's all about clarity. So you need to know exactly what you want in order to make steps towards what you desire, what you want. So you got to get very clear about what you want. Nothing broad, or it has to basically be specific. So prime example is this, like a lot of people say, hey, I want to make more money. Of course, yeah, everybody wants to make more money. I mean, why not? But the thing is like, okay, the universe is listening to you, right? But the universe is probably asking you, like, okay, you want to make more money, okay, and well, how much? So that's what I mean by being specific. Is you want to tell the universe how much money you want to work. So instead of saying I want to make money, say I want to make $10,000 a month. I want to make $5,000 a month. Shoot, I want to make $60,000 a month. And I want that $60,000 a month to be directly deposited into my bank account today, or within 90 days, or within a year or so. So that's the type of stuff I'm talking about when I mean as far as being specific about what you want. You don't want to be too broad. And basically the universe can interpret, I want money for anything. The universe needs to know exactly what you want, right? So, okay, let's move on. Step 2, ask the universe and you shall receive. Now, it's time to ask the universe by asking for what you want on how to make this law of attraction thing work for you. So when the universe is actually clear on what you want to manifest, then it can actually help you. So it goes back to what I was saying in step 1. You got to get clear on your intentions. We need some clarity here. You got to be specific about what you want. So you tell the universe what you want and you ask for it. Guess what? You're going to receive it. All right, let's move on. Step 3, take action towards your goals. This will help you in getting what you want. You could sit there and say, oh, I want money. I want $10,000 a month. I want to make this in my business, or, I want to start a business, or, I mean, it doesn't even have to be about business. It could just be anything. Like, I want a brand new car, or I want a new house or something. Once you get specific about that, you got to start working towards that goal. You can't sit there and keep asking the universe for what you want, and you're not going towards your goal. So this is something simple, like writing down action items on steps I need to take. Like, let's say I wanted to get a brand new car within like 90 days or something. So what do I need to do? Find out, like, okay, this is the type of car I want. That's be specific. Like, I want a 2019 Subaru brand new Accent. For me, I'm talking about for me. 7-seater for me and my family, or something like that. So I'll find out what the price is. Then I'll go down and probably talk to the dealership. Maybe they could run my financing and whatnot and figure out how much I need to pay. In the meanwhile, if I don't get to that point just yet, I need to save money. I need to figure out how much money I'm going to put down for down payment. So you need to be taking steps towards that goal so you can get what you want. So take a little bit of action every day or every week or so, just until you reach that goal. All right, let's move on. Step 4, believe in the process. Believe. You got to believe. You got to trust the process. I see so many people that they don't believe it. Or the thing is, they'll try to work with, oh, it's not working for me. It's not working overnight. It's not a quick fix. Or I've been manifesting and I've been manifested and visualizing this dream or this goal I wanted, and I can't get to it, so I give up. I quit. You can't do that. Even though it may seem unhappy that nothing works at first, just keep going, keep manifesting, keep visualizing everything. It'll get to you. So the best thing to do is trust the process and don't question it. To manifest, you have to trust the process. Just keep reminding yourself how close you are to your actual goal. And whenever you're in doubt, just remind yourself, like, why? why do I want this brand new car? Why do I want to be earning $10,000 a month? Why do I want to quit my job? Or why do I want to buy a new house or something like that? So keep going over what your main goal is so you can get to that point. All right, move on. So step 5, acknowledge it. Always be thankful and mindful of what the universe gives to you or what you receive. Always tell the universe thank you. In return, you receive more from the universe. I'm telling you, this is stuff is like simple. Like if I even, like for instance, I went out to lunch with some friends. My friend, she ended up paying, one of my friends, she ended up paying for my lunch. After that, I was like, universe, thank you, thank you, thank you. Just something simple as just gratitude, just being thankful. Or sometimes I'll get up in the morning and I'm like, thank you for waking me up today. Or thank you for this hot shower. Thank you for this, bottle of water. Thank you for this house that I live in. Just being grateful and thank you. The more that you are, the more in return that you get. So don't forget that. All right, and last but not least, always have high vibrations. Yes, so whatever you send out, you receive back. So you send out negative energy, guess what? You're going to get negative energy back. But if you send out high, good energy, you're going to receive those good vibrations back. So to attract more of what you want, you got to raise your vibrational energy. Always spend time doing things that make you happy and make you feel good. And that helps keep it at that high level. It doesn't keep it at a down level, so where it won't be at bay or anything. But stay happy and stay positive is the best way that you want to go. So that's it, guys. Let's do a brief recap. Step 1, clarity. 2, ask the universe and you shall receive. Take action towards your goals. This is very important. Believe in the process. You got to trust the process, guys. Acknowledge it. Thank you on everything. Thank you to this process. Thank you. Just say thank you every day for everything. I guarantee you it's going to work out. And always have high vibrational energy. That's what you want. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a like for this video. A good old thumbs up. Leave me some comments. Leave me a message or so. Let me know how this process is going for you. Apply this stuff and just, shoot me a message. See how everything's going for you. Now, also, if you did like this video too, I have other videos in my on my channel that you can watch and whatnot. If you are interested in joining my affiliate marketing company, I make extra money from home on a part-time to almost full-time basis. If you go to my description box, there will be a link down there. You click on the link. Send me your email address. I'll send you some updates and whatnot, and you'll immediately be taken to a free video. And it tells you everything that I do to make an extra income online. It could be an extra $500. It could be extra $1,000 a day or more. Yeah, it's up to you. All right. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned. Peace out. Bye-bye.